We often want complicated teaching when it is the basic teaching that we mess up in relationship, marriage, and in our faith. Absolutely basics. Today we are going to learn three words. Three words that will help us, or this is the basic foundations of life. We begin by reading Psalms chapter 11, verse 3, and you heard that from Brother Clay, and thank you, Brother Clay, for reading Psalms 11. 11:3 says, if the foundation be destroyed, what can even the righteous do? Over the years of my ministry, I learned ideas and principles from the scripture that will help us solve life challenges. I mean, fundamental principle, not methods. That if we follow the principle, we will make our life worthwhile. You heard maybe someone will tell you, methods are many, principles are few. Methods always change, principles never do. So this morning we look at the principle from the scripture. We will discuss or learn three words that contain solid principle that will help us make our life worthwhile. But it is not only the simple words, but about the lives which are marked by these words. Sometimes we just hear the word and we don't practice it. The book of Proverbs reminds us in Proverbs chapter 19, verse 20, listen to counsel and accept discipline in order that you may be wise the rest of your lives. So it is not only the words, but it is also discipline to follow these words. You may change, you may need to adjust your